Alright, how to scale 1000 pages without losing quality. So the only way to write 1000 pages of SEO articles is using some automation software like N8N SEO automation or Jasper or Surfer SEO, some tools like that, SEO Writing.ai. But yeah, one of the very interesting AI SEO writing software which I found was Herbal. You can literally start auto blogging. You can write as many articles as you want. So I can simply go into the blog automation and go into the integrations, click on integration, create integration, and here you have all the CMS. And you can also use the custom webhook and API. So since I'm using WordPress, so I'm just gonna go with the WordPress, and here I can download the plugin. Click on download plugin and download the plugin, and here coming to the plugins. And once you're inside the plugin, you need to add plugin. Click on add plugin, and here click on upload plugin, and here you choose the file which you downloaded from plugin and click on connect, and you will see your domain reflecting here. And then go into the campaigns and start a new campaign, run campaign as per your requirements. If you want a link, there'll be a link in the description. Make sure you check that out. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment.